Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm doing a Dipper Pines makeup tutorial, so let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is putting primer on my face. Oh, and everything that I'm using will be put in the description below. So now I'm putting on my foundation, and I'm gonna hope there's enough because I only have a small amount left, so. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting on some concealer. Now that I have that done, I am going to contour. I'm almost out. I literally have like the tiniest bit left, so yay. So I'm gonna do my nose like this just to make it thinner. And then I want it more of a button nose, so I'm gonna go around the top and bottom, and then I want my nostrils smaller. And I also want his cheekbones just a little bit deeper. He is still 12, so he won't have like deep cheekbones, but I still want them deeper. And then I want to do the back side of my jaw just to sharpen that up, but still keep a rounder face. And now I'm gonna blend all that in. Now I'm going to be using my, you can't see it on camera, but like that was all up in my face. Now I'm just going to set my makeup. So now I'm going to be putting blush on my cheeks and my nose, but using lipstick. I really liked this lipstick last time I used it, and I couldn't remember what I did when I did my Mabel one, but I went and rewatched my old video of that I cosplayed Dipper, and I used this one. So I'm going to put it on my nose, like there, and then I'm also going to do it on my cheeks. And then just blend that in with your finger. This probably isn't the right one because that is way too red. Okay, so I'm going to take my setting powder and try to like tone this down a lot. That's better. It's like not nearly as pink as it was before. That's a lot better, because I was like, that is too red and not enough pink, and like, ugh. Okay, now I'm gonna prime my eyes. Okay, so last time I did this, I literally loved how I did the eyeshadow. I can't really remember what I did. So I'm going to try to recreate what I did, but I have literally no idea. So I'm going to take this brown up here as like a base color. Okay, I'm also going to take that same brown and just take a little bit and go right under my eyes just to make some dark circles because he doesn't sleep, so. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to take this pink and put it on my eyelids. And I think I'm going to like blend it into my crease too. Okay, I like how that's looking. I'm going to take some of this lightish purple color and put that like in my crease-ish. Now I'm going to take some of this pink again and go right like on my like lower lash line just to give my eyes a more cartoony look. Okay, I honestly feel like there's not really enough purple, so I'm going to take this purple now and just go like right toward the corner of my eye. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's pretty. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and line my eyes on the top because I don't have a brown eyeliner, and so this is what I'm doing. I'm just taking an angled brush and then lining my top lid. Okay, that totally is not dark enough. I don't like how not dark it is. So I'm actually going to go with this brown right here. It's darker. I'm going to blind my eyes with that one. Okay, now I'm going to line my bottom lid with this white eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to take this mascara and just line what? I'm going to put just a little bit on, but like I don't like how small my eyes look right now, so I'm just going to try to make them a little bit bigger and just put it on my top lid. Now I'm just going to take this highlighter and just do my cheeks, because I just remembered I did do that last time, so I'm going to do it again. I want to take the back end of this and highlight my nose with this one because I like how this looks. It looks more cartoony. I didn't do my eyebrows last time, but now I'm going to. So I'm just going to brush these out. Okay, and I'm just going to fill them in a little because I just want to make my eyebrows look a little bit more like a guy than my eyebrows do, but I kind of like how they look for Dipper right now anyways because they're a bit fuller because I haven't plucked them in a while. shape of my eyebrows. I can never get them even. That looks better. Now I'm just going to brush them out again. So, I was taking a popsicle break, and I got a brain freeze. It's awful. I've never gotten a brain freeze before. I don't know why I've never gotten a brain freeze before, but it hurts. Like, it's cold in my brain and it feels weird and I don't like it, but yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be putting on my wig, and I hope I didn't ruin it, because last time I wore it backwards because I was doing, like, curly hair. I was doing Sid, so I used the back of the wig to do it, but I really hope I didn't ruin the swoop. Why does this look so weird? It looks really weird. This looks really weird, right? Like, I can't fix the swoop. Okay, I like this better. I'm not really sure what happened. I took it off and like fixed it like 4 different times. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Bye!